How to track Gmail account location. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Google Chrome. Here we go. Now search for Chrome Web Store. Click on this one link, Chrome Web Store. Open it. Now you will land to this kind of page. At the top left corner you can find the option of search the store. Type in your mail tag. Now different extensions will appear. Click on this one, extension email tracker, email tracking. Open it. Click on the option add to Chrome. Click on add extension. It is in the process. Click on enable mail tag. Select your account. Scroll down, click on allow. Once you enable mail tag in your Google account, you will receive this kind of mail from mail tag, welcome to mail tag, and you have just enabled mail tag on your browser. And after that, now what you have to do is you have to compose a mail. Click on send. Now head towards this icon, click on it. Select the option of inbox. After you have sent the mail and the person has opened the mail, you will find this kind of option details. You have to click on it. Now over here you will find this location option, and from here you can easily track your outgoing locations. This is how you track Gmail account location. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.